Hi, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to teach you how to get glass skin. Listen, glass skin doesn't mean white skin. Glass skin is healthy skin without pigmentation, acne, healthy, dewy, glowy skin. So don't think, it's extra white, snow white skin. It is not. Any skin tone, we can rock this glass skin. I actually achieved this spotless and dewy skin using a few products and methods, and I'm going to share that with you. First thing, use a gentle cleanser. I tell this every time. Get a face wash with a pH of 5.5 without any drying alcohol, then without any fragrance essential oils. Because if your face wash is irritating your skin, your entire skincare routine is going to fall apart. So choose a gentle face wash. Second step, the product that helped me most is chemical exfoliation. Don't use physical scrubs. They don't help. At least on my skin, they don't help. Use chemical exfoliants, chemical exfoliating toner with AHA, BHA, PH. I use Purito, ABP Synergy, and you can use Wishtrend Mandelic acid, but it has only AHA. Then Cosrx makes good chemical exfoliants, I heard, but I never tried them out. Don't use anything drastic. Don't use those extra strong chemical pills. No, just gentle chemical exfoliation. That's all you need. Do this 3 to 4 times in a week. I do this at night. Yeah, it's gonna work. Then use serums with ingredients like niacinamide, acetica. Many people use vitamin C, but if you're new to my channel, you don't know, vitamin C dried out my skin. So I don't use vitamin C anymore. But if it works on your skin, then go ahead. Use serums without any essential oils, fragrance, drying alcohol. Same rule as the face wash. And yes, you're good to go. I don't recommend sheet masks. They don't do anything. Instead, I make this homemade DIY mask. See, every DIY ingredient is not good and every DIY ingredient is not bad either. What works for me, I use besan, yogurt, turmeric, sometimes rice flour to make this face pack. I use this twice in a week and I keep it for 30 minutes and it works really well for me. Another face pack I use is I make that with licorice and turmeric and yogurt. These two homemade masks, they work really well on my skin and I love using them. Next, you need good moisturizer or Cica cream. You know this sleeping mask and everything, these are just marketing names. You need a good moisturizer with healing properties. You look for ingredients like ceramide, centella acetica, panthenol, allantoin, niacinamide. Actually, our face moisturizer, it is supposed to protect our skin's barrier and to keep the moisture locked and to soothe and calm down our skin. And you can use rice water on your face as well. I have made a video on it. I'm going to leave the link down below. Then you can use coconut water on your face. Even I have made a video on this. You can drink coconut water. It's very good for your skin and your overall health. Drink plenty of water, have fruits, then use sunscreen. How can I forget this? Use sunscreen, it is very important. When you are stepping outside or your skin is exposed to sunlight, you have to use sunscreen. This is the most important step. If you have pre-existing serious skin issues, then please do visit a dermatologist. Don't use bad skincare products and voila, you have glass skin. And yeah, it worked on my skin, following these steps. I hope it works for you. Let me know if it works. That's all for now. I hope you liked my video and you found this helpful, and please don't forget to subscribe if you want to watch more videos like this, because I make videos almost every day. And yeah, see you really soon. Bye bye.